this is Sunny from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. We are starting our new memory verses, the 4 new memory verses. We are memorizing 1 Corinthians 13 verse 4 to 7. So I am ready to go. I've got my 4 verses cut out there already at the back. I've got my book set up. If you want my free memory verse bundle, you get a box like that. You download it. You make yourself all the dividers, these instructions. I've got a video how to make the box. You get these practice sheets, which you can practice and review. If you want to pick up the verses, that's extra bundle. So you get the bundle with the meditation sheet. That's extra, but if you don't want to pick it up, you can just get yourself index card, write the verse out and start memorizing scripture with us. Let me just make a bow on this little box. There you go. So what we're going to do is, if you are starting with us this month for the first time, you are taking week 1 verse. And you're going to put that behind daily, because that is the verse you're going to concentrate on a daily basis. So you put it behind daily. So each day you are going to open your book, get your practice sheets, write it out, say it out loud, however you want to practice this memory verse. So it's obviously the first one: love is patient, love is kind, love does not envy. So you put it behind the daily. Now for us who's been joining for a while, you take your old daily verse and you take that out and you put it behind the even day. That means you're going to revise it on the even days of the week, like or the month, the 2nd, the 6th, and 4th, and so forth. Then you take your old even day and you're going to put it behind the odd section. Then you're going to revise that verse then on the odd days of the week, the 3rd, 5th, and so forth. Then you take your old odd verse and you move it into the weekly section. You can put it anywhere, but I usually go in a sequence. I think we last stopped at Thursday, so I can put it behind Friday. So on Friday I will revise this verse. Then my old Friday verse, I'm going to move into the monthly section. So this verse I've been revising now for quite a few weeks, so I'm taking it into the monthly section. So at least once a month I will revise it. I'm going to put it behind the 5th, because I think last time we stopped behind the 4th. So I can put it behind the 5th. So you can see I've got already 3 verses there. So when it comes to that day, I just quickly revise the verses. If I can't remember it, I just don't worry about it. I try my best. If I want to go back to my previous verses, I can revise it in the book, whatever I want to do. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. And then tomorrow morning, when I do my devotions or my Bible study, I'll just write down the verse address, practice it as I done the previous weeks. So I hope that is helpful. So yeah, I'm praying that it will be a good week for you. I pray if it's your first memory verse ever, that God will use it. During the week, I'm going to dig a little bit deeper into it using my practice sheets, like I've done last month. Look at the 5 W's and just dissect it a little bit. So you can use this sheet however you want, but it's really useful, I find. So have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon again.